the complete 2026 guide to buying solar power for your smart home. In 2026, home solar goes beyond panels, combining batteries, smart inverters, AI energy management, and EV charging to cut costs, provide backup power, and boost energy independence. Before going solar, assess roof sunlight and condition, tree shade, electricity costs, and how long you'll stay. Installers can estimate annual output using satellite and shade analysis. Before choosing solar equipment, review 12 months of bills for usage, seasonal demand, and rates. Factor in future EVs, heat pumps, pools, or home working when sizing your system. Modern solar panels exceed 22% efficiency and offer 25+ year warranties. Compare monocrystalline, TOPCon, HJT, and bifacial panels by efficiency, warranties, reputation, and degradation. Solar inverters convert panel-generated direct current into home-ready alternating current. Options include string inverters, microinverters, direct current optimizers, and hybrid inverters, each suited to different needs. Home batteries from Tesla, Enphase, Franklin WH, EcoFlow, and Anchor store excess solar power for nighttime use and outages, reducing grid reliance and costs when utility rates are higher. Even without an EV today, planning solar for future charging can save money. Consider charger needs, panel capacity, battery size, and system expansion, with extra solar capacity for EV costs. In 2026, solar can connect with thermostats, batteries, appliances, EV chargers, and AI energy systems. Check compatibility with Alexa, Google Home, Apple Home, SmartThings, and Home Assistant. Solar can be bought with cash for maximum savings, financed through a loan, leased for lower upfront costs, or accessed via a power purchase agreement where homeowners pay for the electricity used.
Go to GearBrain for more information.